Fat be gone!
Welcome back, boys. Today I'm going to be dropping some weight loss knowledge bombs on you. Now keep in mind that I have lost over 100 pounds, so I know exactly what you are going to experience through every single phase of your weight loss journey. And let me just tell you right now, brother, it is okay. You're gonna make it through. Now the first thing we need to do is set up our meal plan based off of our macros for our goal. I am not gonna get into that right now, but if you do not know what macros are, how to find them, or how to set up your meal plan, check out this video because it's gonna walk you through every single step so you know exactly how to create the perfect diet plan for you. And next, I wanna talk about intermittent fasting. Now, this tactic has been on the rise for the past few years, and there's very good reasons for this. Because anorexia is the new trend. Trigger warning! Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm sorry if I sound a little weird today, because I think I'm getting sick, so tough luck, bro. By only allowing our body to consume calories within a small window of time in our 24-hour day, we are forcing our body into a state of starvation. But food is life. Shut up, Billy, we're trying to get sexy. So put simply, if we do not have food in our stomach to use as fuel, where does our body go next to look for fuel? Exactly, the fat stores. Sleeping, walking, talking, exercising, these all expend energy. If we can consistently hit our numbers every day by eating the number of calories that our meal plan says that we have to consume within that 8-hour window of time, then we are still getting all the nutrients, all the calories that our body needs for the day. However, once we go into fasting mode, that is when our body pulls energy from the fat stores and uses that as fuel to exist and breathe and talk and walk and exercise, bro. Intermittent fasting will also keep off that water weight so you won't look as bloated for about 50% of the day. Now, this next tactic plays into intermittent fasting, and that is fasted exercise. Personally, I like to work out while I am fasted before I break my fast every morning. Now, this is, as you may be able to guess, very effective at burning fat because, like I just explained with intermittent fasting, when we work out, when we are expending energy, especially working out, doing cardio, that's expending a ton of energy. And if you can do that with no food in your stomach, all of those calories that you're burning off or using to build muscle in the gym, that's coming from your fat stores, bro beans. But however, this will take some time to get used to. Now, I remember when I was first starting to get used to working out fasted, I literally thought I was going to birth death itself. And lastly, I want to throw at you the concept of carb cycling. Carb cycling simply just means that you are cycling through the amount of carbs that you consume on a day-to-day basis. For example, let's say on your meal plan, you are supposed to eat 250 grams of carbs throughout the day. So if you are carb cycling, what you would do is day 1, you would eat your meal plan just how it is set up. Day 2, you would take out however many carbs you want. I would recommend 50 grams. So let's say day 1, you're eating 250 grams of carbs. Day 2, you're eating only 200 grams of carbs. And day 3, you're eating 150 grams of carbs. And then I would restart the cycle. But you can just do 1 or 2 days, or 3 or 4, or you can even go throughout the entire week and slowly lower your carbs and then refill them back the next week. But the most important thing that you do understand is the actual concept of carb cycling and why it's so effective. The reason it's so effective is because our bodies are very, very adaptable to literally everything, dieting, working out. So what we need to do is make sure that we're constantly throwing change-ups at it. What carb cycling does is it does not allow our body to get used to, let's say, 2,500 calories. If you're eating that every single day, your body's gonna get used to that. And even if you're in a caloric deficit, you will run into a plateau. You will have to cut more calories if you wanna see more weight loss. You can just keep changing it up and not consuming the same amount of carbs every single day, then you are not letting your body get used to that, and you will keep on burning fat, and it's gonna push back that plateau because yes, sooner or later you are gonna run into plateaus and just obstacles and stuff. That's just the way the life goes. But as always, stay consistent, do not give up, and you will reach your goal. Apply the 3 tactics that we just went over, and I guarantee within 2 to 3 weeks tops, you will start to see so much more progress. As always, I thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please drop a like on this video. I would really appreciate that. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. New videos every single day, 5 p.m. PST. Stay awesome, stay fresh, stay fit, keep grinding, do your thing. I love all you guys. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.